2012 Acura TSX audio subwire. These are the main connectors, which one go to navigation box. These are mounted in the center dash or under the center dash. This gray one was already disconnected on our car, so don't know where exactly this wire goes. This wire is above glove box and disconnects on the passenger side kick panel, and the wire which one goes up, this one goes to display, and those other connectors go to the center dash speaker. And here is your part number on this one.